Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are driving through Mandeville and the Prime Minister opened a housing development down here this week recently, and he said Mandeville could be the third or fourth city in Jamaica. So I want to ask you guys, what towns in Jamaica now do you think should be upgraded to being a city? Now in Jamaica we have Kingston, which is a city, and Montego Bay, which is a city. We don't have any other cities. Now there's been talk of Negril becoming a city, and there's been talk of Mandeville becoming a city because 2 years ago the Prime Minister hinted at Mandeville becoming a city if certain development infrastructure was put in place. And this week he said Mandeville could be number 3 or 4, which means they are looking at a few locations, a few towns to become cities. So guys, what towns do you think should become a city? Now, I think Ocherius should be on that list as well, because Ocherius is a very developed area, and Mandeville definitely should be on the list. And so guys, leave your comments in the section below telling us which other towns you think should become a city. Now we're going to go through an article that gives more information on what the Prime Minister said. Prime Minister Andrew Holness has hinted that Mandeville, located in Manchester, Jamaica, might eventually reach city status, following discussions that began 2 years ago about the need for a proper development plan. This prospect was highlighted during the handing over ceremony for the Perth Estate Phase 2 housing development. Holness emphasized the town's rapid urbanization and ongoing infrastructure projects, such as the Greater Mandeville Water Project, which aims to address the town's water supply issues. The Greater Mandeville Water Project is crucial for the town's growth, as Mandeville faces a significant water shortfall, with most of its supply being pumped from wells in the neighboring St. Elizabeth. Alright, and that's the end of the update article, and he did say in the article that Mandeville could be the third or fourth town in Jamaica to become a city. So that's good news, and a lot of developments are taking place in Mandeville. And the highway, it stops in Williamsfield now, and they have plans to extend it from Williamsfield to St. Elizabeth. So it definitely will include Mandeville. So that is a major plus for Mandeville. And then the article says Mandeville might be the third or fourth town in Jamaica to get city status, Holness said on Wednesday during the handing over ceremony for the housing development Perth Estate Phase 2. It is a serious reality. Mandeville is urbanizing at a very rapid pace, and with the infrastructure development that we are doing, it is quite possible, added Holness. Okay, so Mandeville definitely looks like it's going to become a city very soon. Alright guys, so leave your list of the towns you think should be given city status in the comment section below. Alright guys, enjoy the rest of the tour. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day. Thank you.